discussing the similarities and differences between nutrition in amoeba and in human beings. Similarities हमने discuss कर ली थी कल. Show all stages of nutrition. Both show all stages of nutrition. Basic process of digestion and release of energy is same. And release of energy is same. And the third, we had already discussed yesterday, mode of nutrition in both is same. Mode of nutrition दोनों में holozoic. All right. Now coming to differences. Human beings and फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस अगर हम देखेंगे तो द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस इज ह्यूमन बीइंग्स में वेल डेवलप्ड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एंड यहां पर एक सिंगल सेल. इट्स नॉट वेल डेवलप्ड. ठीक है ना. दूसरा देखिए सेकंड पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस जो है जो इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स इंजेक्शन जो है दैट इज प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग इन अ फूड दैट इज बाय माउथ. और यहां पर इंजेक्शन जो है इट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ सूडोपोडिया. ऑल राइट. दिस इज द सेकंड डिफरेंस. थर्ड वन, डाइजेशन जो है वो स्टमक और इंटेस्टाइन में होगा. कंप्लीट डाइजेशन जो है स्टमक और इंटेस्टाइन में होगा. और यहाँ पर कहाँ होता है फूड बैग. ऑलराइट. एंड फोर्थ पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस, egestion. Egestion is through anus. Egestion जो है it is through anus, and in case of amoeba it is through vacuole. आपने ये पॉइंट याद रखना. कंपैरिजन. All right, that is all. You can note it down. Now coming to question number 11. Match the columns. This we have already done. Question number 12 was given as homework to you. You have to draw the diagram and label it properly. Question number 13. Can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables, grass, etc.? Ansh Sachdeva, you want to give answer, my dear? You want to give answer? Beta ji, Ansh, you want to ask something, sir? Please unmute them one by one.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 13. We can survive. Can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables, grass, etc.? We have already done this question. Question number 7. Na? Grass, leafy vegetables में there is plenty of they are rich sources of vitamins, minerals. ठीक है. Leafy vegetables, grass जो होते हैं they are rich source of vitamins and minerals. लेकिन जो हमारी body होती है ना, it needs all kinds of nutrients which should include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. So for proper growth and development, body requires all these nutrients. तो अगर हम अकेले green leafy vegetables ले रहे हैं तो it will not be sufficient for proper growth and development. And moreover, जो grass है उसमें तो cellulose है, and we cannot digest cellulose because we don't have cellulose digesting bacteria. So this is what you have to write down in your answer. Raw leafy grass, you can write down the same thing. Answer 13. I hope the board is clear now. You can write down raw leafy vegetables. They contain what? They are rich source of vitamins and minerals. ठीक है, लेकिन but body needs all balanced diet. Balanced diet. It should include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc. for proper growth and development. ठीक है ना? तो अगर ये हमारे को नहीं मिलेगा, हमें सिर्फ रॉ लीफी वेजिटेबल से विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी बॉडी को प्रॉपर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए सारी बैलेंस डाइट चाहिए. ठीक है. ऑल्सो ग्रास जो है उसमें क्या है? सेल्यूलोज, which is digested by, which is not digested by human beings. Why? Because do not have cellulose digesting bacteria. All right, so that is why we cannot survive only on raw leafy vegetables or grass. All right, so this completes your whole chapter. All right, now you have to know, I'll be sending you homework today, and you have to remember that you have to complete this with the diagram and the notes. All right, that is all with this chapter. Anji beta. So we are starting with chapter acid, bases and salts, chapter 5. In table 5.1, I'm giving you just few minutes. I had asked you to collect as many things as possible from your kitchen: lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind, sugar, common salt, amla, baking soda, grapes, unripe mango. इनमें से जो भी चीज हमारे घर में अवेलेबल है इस टाइम पे, आप 2 मिनट में सारी चीजें इकट्ठी करके लेकर आएंगे, अपने टेबल पे रखिए, एंड देन वी विल डू द एक्टिविटी. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद दिस चैप्टर एसिड्स, बेसेस एंड सॉल्ट्स. Only Mehakpreet has got it till now. अक्षरा has got it. अंकित चौबे ले आए हैं. बेटा सारी चीजें हमारे घर में अवेलेबल नहीं होंगी. Get at least 2-3. Sugar is there, salt is there, curd might be there, lemon juice might be there, vinegar might be there, tamarind might be there, और जो आपको मिल सकता है. Ranjita has got it. Very good, beta. All those who have got it, put it on your table. Shipra, Manveer, very good. Angel, Shabash. Unless and until we do this activity, beta, we will not understand certain things. अगर आप ये एक्टिविटी कर लेते हैं then you will know the concept very well. ठीक है? तेजस, रंजीता, महकप्रीत, very good बेटा, शाबाश, very good. Very good, all of you. So we'll make this table by the time. And now what will you do is, taste the things what are available to you and write down or complete the table 5.1. Complete the table 5.1. जो भी चीजें आपके पास अवेलेबल हैं उनको टेस्ट कीजिए, सिर्फ टेस्ट करना है. And write down in table 5.1 how do they taste, sour, bitter or any other taste, whatever you are writing. So we'll complete the table picking up the answers from you. All right, quickly do it. कुछ चीजों का तो आपको टेस्ट ऑलरेडी पता है, we know the taste already. All right, all right. Now let us quickly, sir, please allow them to unmute themselves, all of them.
Yes, ma'am.
First, okay, Niyamat, कौन सा टेस्ट आपने, you will describe which substance taste. Unmute and tell beta. Niyamat, any one substance. She's taking time, I guess. Rohan here. Rohan here. Shipra. Anureet. Sir, please the link, share the link also, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I am already done, ma'am. Already done. Share कर दिया.
Themselves, sir. Rohan, anyone?
Ma'am, lemon juice sour.
Hanji?
Ma'am, lemon juice sour.
Lemon juice is sour. Shabash. Mute yourself, beta. Now, Shipra.
Ma'am, vinegar is also sour.
Vinegar is also sour. I hope you all are tasting it. Then comes Anureet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, baking soda is bitter.
Baking soda is bitter. Shabash. Baking soda is bitter. Very good. Then I want Tanveer to answer me.
Ma'am, sugar sweet.
शुगर इज स्वीट, सबको पता है, टेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर भी चलो मौका मिल गया आपको बेटा जी. नेक्स्ट महकप्रीत. Ekpreet is having some issues, कोई problem नहीं है. Angel,
Ma'am, tamarind.
tamarind, how is it?
Ma'am, it was little bit sweet and little bit sour.
It is sour essentially, beta. You might have had other tamarind, some special type of tamarind. Tejas,
Ma'am, orange juice sweet.
orange juice is sour, shabash. Next, I want Anubhav to answer me.
May I?
Anubhav,
Ma'am, may I?
Anubhav, Ranjita,
मैम डन मैम मेरे को 9 चीजें मिली है.
हाँ जी
मैम
बेटा.
कॉमन सॉल्ट सॉल्टी. मैम कॉमन सॉल्ट
मैम
सॉल्टी.
Common salt is ये तो हमें पता ही नहीं था. आंवला, अंश सचदेवा, आंवला.
I'm sorry.
It is sour, शाबाश. आपके पास आंवला कैंडी हो सकती है जो मीठी हो सकती है, बट इट इज वी टॉकिंग अबाउट आंवला. कर्ड, कर्ड सभी लोगों ने खाया हुआ है. मान्या, कर्ड, मान्या.
Ma'am, sour.
ओके. ग्रेप्स सबने खाए हुए हैं. They can be sweet also, they can be sour also. All right. So it is sour or sweet depending about how much ripe they are. Unripe mango कैसा होता है?
मैम सोर मैम सॉल्ट
Ma'am, sour. I'm sweet. I'm sour.
Sour.
कर्ड सोर
Everything, and now you have come to know some substances
Cucumber रह गया.
eat in our daily life.
रह गया.
Tanveer, you need to mute yourself, my dear. Ritika, you need to mute yourself. Beta ji,